Now, interestingly enough, jeez, I almost got hit by a truck. Now, driving an 8.6, these things are meant to be driven. 5.3 liter V8, which I'm now. So right now we're doing right about 30. All right, so we are in the back of the Toyota Avalon. First thing you'll notice getting in. Oh my God, a bird just flew right over and I saw the whole thing. That was crazy. Yeah, I'm doing a review, 2019. Yeah, it's a Sport. The interior's orange. All right, look at this Dodge Dart. All right, nice. Yay! Look at all these geese on the track. Honk! There's a fire truck and or ambulance somewhere around here. I hear them, I don't see them, which is slightly worrying. Where are you coming from? Where are you? Oh, I see him. I see him, he's honking. He's honking his horn. Is he coming this way? Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. It's a very weird sounding siren. Now we gotta talk about the looks. No, we don't. Run it in EV mood. EV mood? Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. This is the all-wheel drive version, which, as you could see, did I just develop a lisp? As you could see, shifted forward and back, you know, so you shifted forward and back, you know, drive. You know, you shifted forward and back, park. I did it again. I should not have decided to drive down a cobblestone road. Cobblestone road. Oh my God. Who built this road? John Adams? Featuring George Washington? Oh my God. Woo! But I think, of course you're doing a U-turn, fuck you. Oh, she's elderly and on the phone. Oh, my lady. It's the first Tuesday of the month. I have to wait out the air raid siren. I normally don't film on Tuesdays, but there's an Audi TT that's revving. Has dealer plates. Nice rims though. Threw up in my mouth. And so the Alright, what's up guys? My name is Nick, and today I'm driving a Prius. R32. This is a coupe. Headrooms really suffer from coupes. And we have nice wood train. Yeah. Have the automatic start-stop. Automatic start-stop. Now, interestingly enough, I don't actually have a Fizzle, Nissan NSX. But speaking of speed, the Cougar XR7 is the rotaries for dyslexic. Said that totally wrong. Oh, that's a plane flying over. Oh my God! It's like right above us. It's a turtle. That is annoying. And so overall, this isn't a bad back seat. Yeah. And this is yeah. And wow, double. That person just went around a roadblock to drive through deep water. Oh, and they just got pulled over. They just got pulled over. Oh my God. I just watched that happen live. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm gonna see if I can get a video. That was so funny. That's funny. That's funny.